In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed content into a Microsoft Sway. Microsoft Sway is a versatile digital storytelling tool that allows you to create interactive presentations, reports, and newsletters with ease. One of the most powerful features of Sway is the ability to embed content from other sources, making your Sway more dynamic, engaging, and informative. By embedding videos, social media posts, documents, or interactive web content, you can provide your audience with a richer experience without leaving your presentation. To begin, open Microsoft Sway in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the Sway you want to enhance. If you're starting from scratch, create a new Sway by selecting Create New and give it a title so you have a clear starting point. Once your Sway is open, locate the place in your storyline where you want to embed your content. Sway organizes content in a linear storyline, so it's important to decide the best position for your embedded item. Next, click on the plus icon in the storyline where you want to insert your content. This will open a menu of card options. Scroll down to find the Media section and select Embed. This option allows you to insert content from a wide range of sources by simply pasting a link or embed code. Now, go to the content you want to embed, such as a YouTube video, a Twitter post, a PowerPoint slide, or another supported web resource. Copy the link or the embed code provided by that platform. Return to Sway, paste the link or embed code into the embed card, and click Add. Sway will automatically generate a live preview of your embedded content, which you can resize or move within the storyline to best fit your layout. You can continue to add multiple embedded items, mix them with text, images, and other media cards, creating a visually rich and interactive experience. Once you've added your content, use the preview mode to see exactly how your Sway will appear to your audience. This is a great way to ensure that all embedded elements function correctly and display seamlessly. By embedding content, you transform a simple Sway into an interactive, multimedia-rich presentation that captures attention and enhances understanding. Remember that Sway automatically optimizes embedded content for different devices, so your presentation will look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.